Welcome to Kid Grow Mission Control. This is week 2 of your mission. I hope you brought your Kid Grow Quest book. If you don't have it, grab it quick. Yesterday at Kid Grow Quest, you learned all about exploring the Bible and storing God's Word in your heart. Remember, in order to store God's Word, you need to explore God's Word. You can't hide it in your heart until you find it. Remember what we learned from God's Word. Above all things, get wisdom. So that leads me to this week's assignment. I want you to think about 3 or 4 people that you really trust.
Maybe it's your grandpa, or your mom, or your dad, or your teacher, or your brother, or your dog, or your sister. Well, probably not your dog, actually.
I want you to ask those people to share their wisdom with you. I want you to have them write down little nuggets of wisdom in your quest book for you. It might be just a quick sentence that you should remember in order to be wise. Or maybe it's a story of something that happened to them that helped them be wise. Whatever it is, have 3 or 4 people write something down in your notebook. And that's your mission for the week. Now it's time for the code word. The code word is this. Dimwas.
Sounds a little strange to me. I don't know. What's a dimwas? A dimwas? Anybody? Anybody tell me what a dimwas is? No? Alright.
Well, then we need a decoder verse. So here is your decoder verse. Your decoder verse is Proverbs 4:7. Remember, when you're looking up your decoder verse in the Bible, you start with the book, which is Proverbs. Then you go to the chapter, which is chapter 4. And then you go to the verse, which is verse 7. Now, somewhere in that verse is the word dimwas. Only it's not dimwas. It's a different word altogether, using the same letters. If you find out which word that is, I want you to decode that word in your quest book. Write down dimwas and then write down the right word underneath it. So now you got your assignment, you got your code word, and you got your decoder verse. You're all set. Do all 3 things and then bring it back next Wednesday at 6:30. You're gonna get star stickers and points for your team. How exciting is that? I can hardly wait for next Wednesday. I'll see you there. But for now, this is Gus from Mission Control saying sayonara till tomorrow.